Hey guys, we're doing problem number 37, and it's the airplane problem. An airplane is sighted at the same time about two ground observers who are 3 miles apart and both directly west of the airplane. They report the angles of elevation to be 14 degrees and 24 degrees. How high is the airplane? So we just drew our little model here. This is the airplane, and we put the angles of elevation, and notice how the people are directly west, so they're towards the left, and they're both standing 3 miles apart. So why don't we make this point A and point B, person B. So they're standing at those points, and they're standing 3 miles apart. And you know where to put the 14 and 24 because 14 has a smaller degree, it's more of an acute angle, so you know that it's smaller, and then the 24 would go right here. So now we have to find as much information you can from the given information. Notice right here, 24 degrees can be supplementary angle and give you 156 degrees. So now you can try to find the rest of the triangle. So what else? We have 56 plus 14, and then you'll get 10 degrees right here. So we're going to use law of sines, and we're going to solve for x here. And Viet here will show you how to do that on the next page.
So hopefully you remember the diagram, and what we do is a simple law of cosine, which is law of sines, and it's, oh crap.
Do yellow.
Yeah, I'll be using yellow, so it's A over sine of A and is equal to B over sine of B, but it could be either way. I mean, it doesn't really matter because it's just a ratio. So you were given in the original problem that the bottom is 3 miles, so A is equal to 3. So you put 3 over sine of 10, which is the angle that corresponds to A, is equal to B, which is x over sine of 14, which is the angle that corresponds to 14. If we go back, we see that this is 3 miles, which corresponds with 10, and then 14, which corresponds to x. And then so if you solve for this, you get that x is equal to 3 over sine of 14 over sine of 10. So x is equal to about 4.17. And obviously you don't want to use this rounded number in your calculations. You need to store to your calculator for later use. Okay,
so
and then
plug it back, put the 14.17 right there.
So we're gonna go back. So now we know that x equal to 4.17. So we solve for the height, which we've been trying to get, which is we're gonna call that y. So you notice that in the second triangle, x is the hypotenuse and y is opposite, and this is 90 degrees. So what you do is, obviously there's a ratio, and that's sine. So let's go to make another slide. So finally you get sine of 24 is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is y over the original, the first value we found, which was x. So we multiply x by sine of 24, which is equal to y, and the value you'll get is about 1.70.
and that's the height of the airplane. Thanks for watching.